Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how you can verify your identity on Prizepicks. So if they're asking you to verify your identity for Prizepicks, if it's not automatically verified, they can ask you to input your last four SSN digits. The app will directly ask you for that, and they will securely process your information and keep it safe in attempt to verify your identity. And of course, it will only be used for verification, and post registration, it will not be stored. It will only be stored for verification. And if that doesn't work, like apart from that, they could also ask you to submit a photo of your ID for further verification if your account isn't automatically verified. So this is basically your government issued ID. It could be a passport, it can be an identification card, it can be a driver's license, and you will follow the prompts. You will take a phone to take a picture of your government ID and you attach it in the PrizePicks app. Now, after you submit your ID, it can directly verify you. It can show you a pop-up of verification successful. If there is an error or a blur in an image, it can ask you to resubmit your ID. It can also place it in review. That means they will manually check it and it'll take a time. But if it gets verified, they'll send you a notification. And if you're denied, you'll need to send some other sort of proof that is within lines of price picks. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.